Okay. Hello, Selish. I am Kriti Mehta, team member of FindMyTest.com. We are glad that you joined us today. I would like to congratulate you for securing All India Rank 3 in Agriculture Engineering. Would you mind introducing yourself to our viewers?
Thank you, ma'am. So, I am Master Shailesh Sampat Khote. I am from Jakraiwadi, Tehsil Walwa district, Sangli, Maharashtra. Currently, I am pursuing my BTech in Agriculture Engineering from Dr. Anasef Shinde College of Agriculture Engineering and Technology, MPKV Rahuri. And I have given GATE examination recently, and I have secured All India Rank 3 in this year's GATE Agriculture Engineering with a 55.33 marks.
Okay. So, what are your opinion on agriculture engineering?
Okay, and talking about the agricultural engineering, then it is a very interesting one, and I'm glad to tell you that it is a combination of two or three more engineering branches. For example, mechanical engineering, civil engineering, and renewable energy engineering. So, but the actual methodology in these courses is a completely opposite to that of the mechanical and civil engineering. For example, if you think about the mechanical engineering, then the mechanical engineers prefer to increase the speed of a tractor or any machine, which we can use in the agricultural field. But the agricultural engineers just do opposite to that. For example, they try to reduce the speed and increase the torque so that they can use any of the implement, for example, MB plow or other implement that we use in the agricultural fields to enhance the capacity of that machine. And as we know about the civil engineers, so they try upon with hardening the soil. And agricultural engineer just do opposite to that. They try to soften the soil so that they can cultivate a good crop in that field. So for that, I have choose, and my background is actually from agriculture. So I choose agricultural engineering as my career option.
Okay. So, how many times have you attempted GATE examination?
This was my first attempt, and I'm in final year. So last year there was no provision for third year students to give GATE examination. So it's my first attempt. I have cracked it this time.
Okay, that's good. So, when did you decide that you want to attempt GATE as a serious career option, and when did you start preparing for the examination?
Okay, when I was in second year, so those students who are in the final year at that stage, when I was in second year, so the result I have came, and I got to know that there is more opportunities when you crack GATE and take an admission to the MTech program. So as we have seen that there is not more options or career options after BTech in agriculture engineering. You have jobs, but they are only limited up to the marketing department. So students mostly prefer to go for MBA or future studies. So I choose my option as GATE so that I can take admission to the IITs and build my career.
Okay. So, as you said now that people either take CAT or they go up with GATE. So, why didn't you take up CAT?
Okay, ma'am, I don't. I'm not that much interested in the management side. So I want to learn more and more about the technical sides of the agriculture engineering. How can I help farmers to do their works in the field so much efficiently and with less efforts? So I mostly tried on that perspective that I can help farmers by use my technical knowledge in agriculture field. So that I have decided to go with the GATE rather than go with the MBA.
Okay. So, according to you, what was the difficulty level of GATE 2021 Agriculture Engineering Examination?
Okay. Firstly, I want to tell that the agriculture engineering, this is the branch where we have less competition compared to the other branches. And in agriculture engineering, when we see this year's paper, so it was quite different as compared to the previous question paper since last 10 years. So the pattern of the question papers in last year, 10 years is near about same. So what kind of questions they were asking, that you have to just put your values in the formula and you get answers. But this year they have tried to do something different. We have to use our just sense so that we can attempt the question rather than only the formula based questions. They have provided such a questions that they are not actually on the formula based, but they are on concept based. So if you have your concepts completely clear, then you can able to solve any type of question. So quite easy paper, but the pattern was different as compared to the previous papers.
Okay. So did you take up any coaching for preparation? And if you did, how did it help you in securing All India Rank 3?
Okay. Talking about the coaching, so I have joined TransEasy test series when I was in the final year. At the start of the final year, I have taken one test series, and it helped me a lot in the sense that if I gave a test, then I utilize my most time on analyze the test rather than just solve it and go to the next. So I tried to solve each and every question more than one, so I could get the actual reason how it comes, an actual concept behind that question, how it has been designed, and what type of questions they can ask related to that concept. So test series helped me a lot, and the last 3 months before the gate examination, I joined TransEasy coaching class for clarification of my doubts which I have never seen before and never think of that, and which were more difficult for me to understand. So within that 3 months, I have completed my whole syllabus that I have not previously covered. So for that, I have joined TransEasy coaching class. So that also helped me a lot.
Okay. So which book or study material did you refer for the preparation of examination? And would you please like to suggest few books which will help to crack the examination?
Okay, as I am telling that agricultural engineering is mostly students did not, but previously students were not able or were not preferred to go for gate examination. So there is very less material is available for agricultural engineering, study material for agricultural engineering. And there are few books that I mention here, that one book is Numerical Approach in Agricultural Engineering by Engineer Sanjay Kumar. Then Numerical Approach in Processing by Irfan Ahmed Ansari for the processing part. And one more book that is Land and Water Management by VVN Murthy for Soil Water Conservation Engineering and Irrigation and Drainage Engineering. So these are the main core books, or we can say there are more problems and formulae are given in that three books. And if you want to have, or if you want to do theory practice or clarifying your doubts, then there are few more books that I'm going to mention, and those are the first one in the farm power and machinery engineering, that is Jagdishwar Sahai, and the four authors book for IC engine. And for processing book, there is unit operations in food process engineering by KM Sahai and KK Singh. And one more book in irrigation engineering by AM Michael. So these books are if it's sufficient for you to clarify your doubts, and if you don't able to find any of the related concepts that have asked in the gate examination, then you can search it on internet or YouTube. You can find a lot of channels for gate agricultural engineering on YouTube also. So from there you can clarify your doubts and study from there.
Okay. So what are some important topics that should be focused while preparing for the examination?
Okay, so as I have mentioned earlier, that we have 4 to 5 departments from where get asked questions in agriculture engineering question paper. So firstly, talking about the farm power and machinery department. So in that topic, in that department, you have to focus more on IC engine. Then the 5 main systems in the IC engine, like five. ignition system, for example, cooling system, lubrication system, etc. And the second part in that is farm machinery. So in farm machinery, you have to more focus upon what are the different harvesting techniques, how the combine harvester, thresher works, then different types of implements, for example, MB plow, rotavator, etc. GATE has already asked the questions from this part, and they continuously asking the questions with these parts only. So you have to more focus on the farm implement section. And one more part is chaff cutter, flywheel, gearbox. These are the small topics, but definitely you will see 2 or 3 questions related to this topic in every year's GATE examination. So you have to focus on this in FMP department, in agricultural process engineering department. Then there you will see a lot of questions have been asked, and more of the part more of the part in AP department is more of the part in GATE question paper is based on the AP department. So you have to focus more on AP department. In that, as we talk, heat and mass transfer is important topic. Evaporation is important. Then storage systems. Definitely one question is there in each question, in each year's question paper. Then I want to add something in AP, that you have to clarify your concept rather than just go through the formula and knowing the various terminologies in that. If your concept is clear, then any type of questions you are able to solve, and you can defend that questions with confidence also. Then going into the SWC department. So there is 5 topics in SWC department that I want to focus on, and those are fluid mechanics, soil mechanics, and hydrology, and the last one is soil and water conservation structures. So as agriculture engineering students know about this concept, so you have to focus more upon these 5 parts. So this will be beneficial for you. And in irrigation and drainage engineering department, you have to focus mostly upon various irrigation efficiencies, then groundwater hydrology, water wells and pumps. So these are the important topics. And lastly, the renewable energy engineering. So there are 3 main topics that you have to cover while preparing your GATE examination, and those are solar energy, and biogas energy, and wind energy. So every year from these 3 parts, there is one question upon any of the 3 parts. So you have to study very less for renewable energy engineering, but you have to focus more on remaining these 4 departments. So that's all. And math and aptitude are quite easy as compared to other departments for GATE examination. So you can give at least 15 to 20 days, then you can cover math and aptitude both sections.
Okay. So what was your preparation strategy for the examination?
I have started my preparation in the beginning of 3rd year. So my first plan was that I go through the syllabus copy and started collecting the study material. As I earlier mentioned that there is not lot of material available in the market for the GATE study preparation. So I firstly tried to collect my whole of the study material based on this syllabus copy. Then I take guidance from my teachers, my seniors, how to prepare, and from where I start approaching the GATE syllabus. So in the 3rd year, I more focused on clarification of my all doubts and clarification of all the concepts related to GATE examination. And actually, I started hardly preparation based on the problems in the final year, in the beginning of final year. And final years, my strategy was to go through the more and more number of problems. And I want to mention here, if you don't have just solve a problem and go ahead, you have to solve it more than one time, so that it definitely be in your mind and you will never forget that. If you solve it more than once, that is for twice or more than 2 times. So during the final year, I completely gone through the whole of the syllabus. and the last 4 months, that was very crucial for me and for any AG aspirant who is going to give the GATE examination. You have to solve the previous year question papers. So set your time for 3 hours and go through the each and every question. For example, you have taken 2020 GATE AG paper for solving. Then you have to set timer for 3 hours and try to solve each and every question, but don't try to just see that there are two types of questions in GATE question paper. There are questions like they have 4 options, and there are questions that are NAT type. So you have to more focus upon the NAT type question. So you will not get negative marking if you solved it wrongly or attempted a wrong answer. But if you are solving for questions with options, then you have to focus that your answer should be right. If you have attempted wrong, then you have to go for negative marking. So that was my plan, to solve more and more questions, but attempt those with the accuracy, not only solving. And if you are solving the question paper like 2020, 19, 18, then your practice will be more and you will become confident, and your time management skills also developed while solving the GATE question paper in the final duration. So I have prepared my strategy likewise. In each week I take one previous year GATE question paper, and firstly during the first 3 days of the week I go through the whole syllabus and the formulas. Then fourth day I give GATE agriculture engineering question paper of previous year, and the remaining 3 days I analyze that question paper. So where I was going wrong, what points that I need to cover, what points I have to focus more upon. So likewise, I studied you have got 16 weeks in last 4 months. So you can solve 16 question papers by solving it in every week, and your revision also 16 times. Each week you have to revise whole syllabus. So your revision becomes 16 times, so that I think you will never forget any of the concept if you have revised it 16 times. So that was my strategy for GATE preparation, and I have cracked. So if I can, then you also definitely go for it, and it is very much easy as compared to other branches to crack GATE agriculture engineering, because there is less competition. This year only 2277 students have appeared for GATE. So a great chance for agriculture engineering students, and all the best for this GATE 2022.
Okay. So how did this current COVID-19 pandemic affected your studies and routine?
Okay. I mentioned here that COVID-19 pandemic, the lockdown effect does not affect my study, but I say that it helped me. Why? Because I was at home and I have taken a separate room for my preparation. So completely my whole focus on the GATE AG preparation, because schools were not going, and there was lectures, online lectures, but they are quite if you are in the college or school, then its workload of college is more, and if you are at home in this pandemic situation, then I got more and more time to focus on my studies. uh, uh, so also see my seniors also helped me during this pandemic. So I will say that it doesn't affect so much on my preparation, rather than it helped me a lot while preparing for GATE agriculture engineering examination.
Okay. So would you like to throw some light on GATE 2022 agriculture engineering aspirants?
Okay, I want to suggest to them that if you are capable, or as I have mentioned that if you have studied for third year and you are going to have revision or solving the problems, then I recommend you to join any of the test series. Test series definitely helps you, and got knowledge about where you are right now and up to what points you have to go, what points you have to cover, what points you have to more focus upon and what kind of questions get asked. So I want to suggest them to join any test series, and if they are capable, their economical condition is good, then join any of the coaching, because the COVID-19 pandemic, I think this year also schools were not opening and colleges were not opening. So students have to work or study from the home. So I suggest them to join any coaching or test series so that it will be beneficial for them also to prepare well.
Okay. Congratulations once again for securing All India Rank 3 in GATE 2021 Agriculture Engineering Examination. And thank you for giving us your valuable time. And Final Test team wishes you all the best for a bright future.
Thank you, ma'am. And I say all the best, and give your 100% while preparing for a great examination. As I mentioned that it is very much easy and not that much hard to attempt and give GATE agriculture engineering question paper. You have to just focus on your studies. So that's